Hi, I'm Claire Malarkey from New York City. I'm here at my salon Vaux Studio, and I'm really excited to share with you guys today the KERASILK Control Service on my beautiful client, Nalima. It's been about a year since she's had her last keratin treatment, so I'm excited to share with you guys how we go about the retouch process while keeping her hair integrity and hair color in mind. Let's get into it. A quick little tip I really like to do when I'm applying the KERASILK treatment is I like to load up my brush, and then I always like to start my application from the top down so that the most amount of my product is hitting closer to the root and where there is more density. So applying it, and you will see it's a good amount of product, medium, and then less towards the ends of the hair. From that, I just comb it through to distribute the product through. And then I work with my hands to push that product into the section so that I get even distribution throughout all of the hair. And from there, what is ever left on the brush, I just go through and lightly apply it close to the root to get any of those last minute flyaways. So something I really recommend doing when you're applying the treatment is keep your section really elevated, so that way when you're working through and combing through the product, you're just distributing it on that section and you're not accidentally combing through hair that has already been treated. So I'm taking two things into mind while doing Nalima's hair. One is that it's been a year since her previous treatment, so there is some treatment within these last 6 inches of hair. She also has some highlights, so I wanna make sure that I don't go over that too many times with the flat iron. So what I'm gonna do is first come in and just touch up her new growth within these first 6 inches of hair with 3 passes. Then I'm gonna come in, and for my final 3 passes, I'm gonna go through the entirety of the hair strand. I'm at Nalima's front of her hairline, and this is the area where most people have the most wiggle and frizz. So I'm going through and taking my sections out of vertical, following that hairline, just so that I can come in and get in right at the front edges.
I can't believe how smooth you got it with just a paddle brush. It's gonna make it so easy for me.
It makes it so much easier. You can just blow it around and you get these results.
I love it. I'm ready for the summer heat of New York City. Yay! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks for the KERASILK smoothing treatment. I'm so happy with the result. It was really easy to style out. Make sure you are subscribed to the KERASILK channel and that you've liked this video, and stick around for the next video because they will also have great tips and tricks.